Hey loves, welcome back. It's me, Jessica, also known as Mrs. Jezzy, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and welcome if you are new. As many of you know, this is my entertainment center in the living room, and what you guys do not know is that the cabinets are full of some type of home decor or a candle, something, and it is just overwhelmingly crowded in here, and it is time for me to tackle this mess. I've been wanting somewhere to put all of my throw blankets because I'm sure a lot of you know I am a hoarder when it comes to throw blankets, and that's because what you see at the end of the video is not all of them, but that is something that I'm going to be tackling today. I'm going to be decluttering, organizing, and just getting things done in this cabinet so I can go ahead and start preparing for fall. And I'm glad I did this because I ended up finding one of my favorite pumpkin candles that I will be using in an upcoming video. So grab your cup of coffee, your tea, a snack, and let's get this done. So I am going to start off by taking everything out of the cabinet. I am going to be taking everything out one by one. I do end up getting so overwhelmed in the middle of the video where I was just like, oh my goodness, what did I get myself into? Because while everything's in here, it doesn't look like it's a lot, but there was so much stuff that just needed to go in the trash. Candles that had melted because I used to have some of them in the garage because I use a lot of candles as decor, especially for my fall and my Christmas decorating. And some of them, they were like slanted, melted a little bit, and I was just like, why do I have them in here? So I am going to be decluttering so much, and then you're gonna see that I go back in with some totes that I took out of the boys' room when I redid their room, and I'm gonna use them here. It still looks somewhat crowded at the end, but everything's in a basket, and I know where everything is. I categorize everything, so I have like my decorating candles, like the candles that are for certain holidays. I have my battery operated candles. I have the candles that I have in case of an emergency, because if any of you remember back in 2021 here in Texas, we had a snowstorm and my family and a lot of my neighbors were out of electricity for about 4 days. It was so cold in my home. We had no electric at all. Thankful for our fireplace because we survived because of that. And I said, if it was to happen again, because in Texas, you never know what the weather is going to be like. I mean, not even in the summer. One day it's 103, and then at 3 o'clock in the morning, it's in the 70s and it's thunderstorming so bad. But anyways, I'm not going to take that chance again. I am prepared. I buy candles from the Dollar Tree, the tall glass candles, and I just make sure that I'm stocked on those. But I'm going to go ahead and stop rambling, and I'm going to let you watch me finish wiping down the cabinets, vacuuming out the cabinets, and taking everything out, and then organizing it all.
It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, getting over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're on the horizon. Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point? Never call me, and then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious. Your friends have told me just to give you time. Weekends are passing by like everything is fine. I know this is so delusional. I have lost my grip, but I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then
Okay, loves, we have reached the end of the video. If you are still here, please drop a basket emoji down below to let me know that you watched the video all the way through. I really appreciate when you watch my videos all the way through and you like, comment, share. It just, any activity helps my channel so much. These are all of the bins that I have everything in. It does still seem like I have a lot of stuff, but these are things that get used. They're like holiday candles that I use for decor, my emergency kit of candles, just in case, you know, another snowstorm comes through Texas and I have no electricity. I have a little basket full of batteries, extra chargers, anything that we need for the pool pump. I have the manuals that I need for certain things, like for example, the one you will see is for my Blackstone. I have one section for my throw blankets. Well, I will rotate them out because right now it has a few of all the seasons, and on top it has some that I'll be using in my upcoming fall video. But yes, this box is random, so it does look 100 times better than what it did before. So I'm so glad that I got this done. We are now at the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for rocking all the way through. To all of my oldies but goodies, thank you for always coming back and supporting my channel. Your support will never go unnoticed, and I will never forget to thank you in every video. To all of my new subscribers, welcome. I am so grateful to have each and every one of you, and welcome to my YouTube family. And to all of the ones who watch and have yet to subscribe, thank you so much for watching. That's time that I can never give back, and I will thank you for that. I love you all. Thank you for hanging out, and I will definitely see you all in the next one. XoXo. Love, Jessie.